A very good morning to one and all. I am Shanti, working as a life skill trainer in APSWRS Balliparru in Krishna district. Today we are going to learn about rudiments of learning to read. Rudiments means principles. Principles of learning to read. We have to follow certain principles to learning to read. What is reading? Reading is a process. On the simple level, it is the act of recognizing and understanding written or printed verbal symbols. Reading is an active process of constructing meaning of words. Principles to learn to read. First one is learn the alphabet. Next, understanding the relation of letters and words. Next, learn letter sounds. Know spelling pattern. Learn to read reflectively. These are the principles to learn to read. First one is learn the alphabet. Comfortable and early familiarity with letters is critical for learning to read. You should learn the names of letters and recognize and form their corresponding shapes. Corresponding means similarities. Next one is understand the relation of letters and words. You need to learn that printed words are made up ordered strings of letters. Strings means material. Read left and right. They should be helped to understand that when the combination or order of letters is changed, the word that is spelled also changes. Learn letter sounds. You are ready to learn about letter sound correspondence. The most important goal at this first stage is to understand the logic of the alphabetic writing system is built on these correspondences. Next one is sound out new words. You learn specific letter sound correspondences. You should be challenged to use this knowledge to sound out new words in reading and writing. Making a habit of sounding out unfamiliar words contributes strongly to reading growth. You need to understand that sound out new words can actually be strategy for helping you unlock pronunciation of words. Next one is know spelling pattern. Awareness of spelling pattern that recur across words big quick progress in reading and writing. And weak knowledge of spelling is defect to mature readers. Defect means fault. It is one of the fault. So you have to know the spelling pattern. Next one is learn to read reflectively. Although the ability to sound out words is essential for learning to read, it is not enough. Writing language is not just speech written down. Instead, text brings new vocabulary, new language pattern, new thoughts to enjoy and profit from reading. You must also learn to take the time to reflect on these aspects of text. These are the principles to learning to read. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you very much.